Cam Little is an American professional football place kicker for the Jacksonville Jaguars of the National Football League. He played college football for the Arkansas Razorbacks, where he holds the highest field goal percentage of any kicker in program history, and he finished his college career without having missed an extra point. Little was drafted by the Jaguars in the 6th round of the 2024 NFL Draft. He holds the NFL record for the longest field goal ever recorded in an organized football game, kicking a 70-yard field goal in a 2025 preseason game. In the 2025 regular season, Little kicked a 68-yard field goal, breaking the official NFL record previously held by Justin Tucker at 66 yards in 2021. Little was selected by the Jacksonville Jaguars in the 6th round with the 212th overall pick in the 2024 NFL Draft. He is the youngest kicker ever to be drafted into the NFL. Little beat Riley Patterson early in training camp to be the kicker for the Jaguars in 2024. He was named to the PFWA All-Rookie team. On August 9, 2025, Little kicked a 70-yard field goal in a preseason game against the Pittsburgh Steelers, which was and remains as of 2025 the longest recorded successful field goal in a game at any level of organized football. The field goal was 1 yard longer than Ove Johansson's record set while playing for Abilene Christian University in 1976. However, due to Little's kick occurring during an NFL preseason game, it did not officially count as an NFL record. On November 2, 2025, while visiting the Las Vegas Raiders, Little made a 68-yard field goal at the end of the first half, which does count as the NFL record. Little opted to forgo his senior season and declared for the NFL Draft on December 1, 2023. Mel Kiper Jr., an NFL draft analyst with ESPN, named Little the top kicking prospect of his draft class. He was one of 2 kickers invited to play in the East-West Shrine Bowl alongside Missouri's Harrison Mavis and made 2 field goals during the game, one from 26 yards in the second quarter and another from 48 yards in the fourth quarter. He finished at Arkansas with a career field goal percentage of 82.8%, the highest of any place kicker in Arkansas history, and made every extra point he attempted. He participated in 2 bowl games with the Razorbacks, wins over Penn State in the 2022 Outback Bowl and Kansas in the 2022 Liberty Bowl. He made a donation to Down Syndrome Connection of Northwest Arkansas for every kick he made, ultimately totaling 1,460, and was featured on Good Morning America as a result.